Want to create stunning 3D documentary-style animations with AI, even if you've never touched 3D software before? In this short video, I'll show you step-by-step how you can bring your ideas to life effortlessly. First, open ChatGPT and click on GPTs. In the GPT section, search for documentary-style 3D image generator and click the Start Chat button. Now you'll have two options. Either upload your own image or describe the scene to generate images. In my case, I'm going to upload an image taken from a Pirates of the Caribbean movie scene. Just upload the image and hit enter. This will generate the main scene prompt, along with different B-roll prompts showing the same character from multiple angles. If you have a paid ChatGPT plan, you can generate the images directly inside ChatGPT. But since we're using the free method, I'll copy the main image prompt and use Google FX Image Generator. You can, of course, use any image generator you have access to. Just paste the prompt and check the results. The second tool you can try is Pixlumen AI Image Generator. Both tools create different results, and it depends on your preference which style you like more. Personally, I recommend Google Image FX because it usually gives the best 3D style results, but sometimes it fails to generate images due to policy restrictions. That's why it's a good idea to use multiple AI image generators for flexibility and consistency. In the next step, I'll show you how to animate these 3D images. But before that, let's generate some custom scene images. For example, a prison jail scene. You can describe the details of the scene to create a more accurate and cinematic image prompt. Think about adding specifics like the style of clothing the AG, ragged prisoner outfits, armored guards, or medieval uniforms, the environment dark stone walls, rusty iron bars, flickering torchlight, or a damp underground dungeon, and even the atmosphere's foggy, dramatic lighting, or a tense mood. The more details you provide, the more realistic and powerful the generated scene will look. Now it's time for animation. For this, I recommend using hailuo AI. With the new hailuo AI 2 update, it has become one of the most powerful image-to-video tools available. Simply upload your image, paste your prompt, and you can create custom animations that perfectly match your scene. Hailuo AI allows you to generate clips in 1080p quality with a duration of around 10 seconds. And here is the first result. The same animation you already saw at the beginning of this video. hailuo AI also has a camera movement option that allows you to bring your scenes to life in a much more dynamic way. Instead of just showing a still frame turned into video, you can add smooth pans, zoom-ins, and even rotating shots that feel like a real documentary camera is capturing the scene. This feature lets you guide the viewer's focus. For example, zooming in on a character's face for emotion, panning across a prison cell to show the environment, or tilting the camera upward to highlight scale and atmosphere. By using these camera movements, your animations feel more cinematic, engaging, and professional. I also tested Google VO3 for these kinds of prompts, but honestly, the results weren't very good compared to other tools. So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Now you know how to generate 3D documentary-style images and turn them into cinematic animations using AI. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.